Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for your speaker Anker Soundcore 3 on your Android device. Basically you have a few options how to doing it. The first one is to use a control panel. So right here at the bottom, at the top we can see a battery level. The second one is to use a settings, so go to it. Go to connected devices, and here we can also check a battery level. And the last one, but not the best one for me, is to use an application, so just open it, and right here at the left top we can see a battery level, but without any percentages. I don't know why, but it worked how it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!